Hey, Dr. Liz here, doctor of acupuncture and oriental medicine, where life becomes better living. Today's topic, the carrot. hmm The carrot is wonderful for our eyes. It's a root vegetable, as we all know, the carrot is, and it's loaded with fiber, rich in vitamin K, and has a fair amount of abundance of antioxidants. The carrot does. From a Chinese medical perspective, it's sweet and acrid in its flavor, its natural flavor, and its temperature constitutionally is neutral to slightly warm to warm. It goes to the lung, the spleen, the stomach, and the pancreas, organs and organ system pathways. It treats cough, indigestion, and it's really good for loose stool. The carrot's really good for loose stool, dysentery, diarrhea, and even constipation. Carrot is a wonderful root vegetable that we should all be consuming. It also helps treat nausea, GERD, hiccups, and any type of chi flow that's going in the wrong direction. It helps people with a poor appetite. It's loaded in vitamin A, high in iron. Modern science further explains that it's loaded in calcium, phosphorus, potassium, and ascorbic acid. The carrot. Carrots are a great choice for cancer prevention. If you've been a smoker or if you're a smoker today, consume the carrots. It is shown clinically and scientifically proven to help prevent or treat or lessen the likelihood of cancer in those patients that have been smokers or exposed to smoke orientation. The carrot can help. It lowers our blood cholesterol. It is great. If you consume the carrot, it can improve your energy if you suffer from fatigue. And they're great for your eyes. Carrots are. However, you do need to cook carrots to get the most out of their cancer protection. Why is that? Because by cooking the carrots, it releases 2 to 5 times, that's right, 2 to 5 times more of the carotene than eating a raw carrot. Thanks so much for checking in. Dr. Liz, doctor of acupuncture and oriental medicine, where today's topic was the carrot. Please feel free to like and subscribe if you find these wellness tips useful. And jusqu'à demain.